Today I am discuss about from the exercise 3.1 the rest part of this exercise, that is from the question number 4, and some of the students submit me after solving this question, but there are some students who could not solve this problem, so that's why I am going to discuss this problem. So let's see. All the problems are same here. Let Pn equals to 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus plus twice n minus 1 whole square. Sorry, there is no place here. N into n, twice n minus 1, twice n plus 1 by 3, where n belongs to natural number. Where n belongs to natural number. So I made a dhori. Again same step. For step 1, for n equals to 1. So yata step wise ase, yata basics koi, hypothesis koi, assumption koi. To yata tumalokor enake likhile hobo. Yata tumalokor jehetu exercise di dia nai example at. Okay. For n equals to 1, P1 equals to 1 square. Left hand side at 1 square ase, or right hand side at kiman pam ami ete sam put kora pisot n equals to 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by 3 equals to 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 3 how much? 3 by 3 is 1. That means equal to 1 square. Therefore here left hand side equals to right hand side. Therefore Pn is true for n equals to 1. N karone hoy gol. Let us assume that P of n is true for n equals to k. Let us assume this one. So that is P of k 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus dot plus. So putting in place of n, k here equals to k into twice k minus 1 twice k plus 1 by 3. So I already bujaisilu, hekane moi iman details ot joa nai, buji paisa sage. Then we have to show that the proof that Pn now okay, Pn is true for n equals to what? Next number. The next terms of k, that is k plus 1. Ite k plus 1 or karone ki korim? P of k plus 1 hobo. K jagat ami just k plus 1 put korim. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus dot plus. Yar lage same likhim. Twice k minus 1 whole square. After this this is k term. After this k plus 1, since this one k plus 1 term, so after this come k plus 1 term. That means put k in place of k plus 1. So k plus 1 or jagat k jagat ami k plus 1 put korim. Then since this one adding here number, so ami plus sign dilu. So but plus ase, that's why ami plus dilu. Aru yate k jagat k plus 1 put kori just plus kori dim. Aru juntu yat plus korim hetu right hand side to plus korim. Just a portion to tumalokor of kelimeli lagi ase, a portion to swa ইয়াৰ লকে সেম লিখিবা, আগতে k যোনটো লিখিছা সেম লিখিবা, দেন লাষ্ট টার্ম টু জাস্ট k plus 1 পুট কৰিবা, আৰু পুট কৰি পেলাই ইয়াত প্লাস আছে সো প্লাস দি পেলাই কৰি দিবা। ওকে, যদি ইয়াত ইনটু থাকে ইনটু দি পেলাই কৰিবা আমি, বা মাইনাস থাকে না মাইনাস দি পেলাই কৰিম। সো ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিলো, ইয়াৰ লকে সেম লিখিলো, ইয়াৰ k জায়গাত k plus 1 পুট কৰি কৰিলোঁ আকৌ সেই এইটো পোৰ্শন সেম আমি ইয়াতো কৰিম twice k minus 1 twice k plus 1 আছে লিখিলোঁ সো ইয়াত এইটো লিখিলোঁ সেইকাৰণে ইয়াতো লিখি দিলোঁ twice k plus 1 whole square same বস্তুটো আমি both side plus কৰি দিলোঁ then so next term কি কৰিম এতিয়া ইয়াৰ পিছত so এই পোৰ্শনটো মনত ৰাখিবা এই k plus 1 টো তাতো এড কৰিলোঁ ইয়াতো এড কৰিলোঁ so ইয়াত মনত ৰাখিবলগীয়া এইখিনি then after this আমি simplify কৰিম so how we can simplify this one let's see so both LCM is 3 here 3 so k twice k minus 1 twice k plus 1 plus then 2 into k twice k plus 2 into 1 2 then minus 1 whole square and LCM is 3 therefore 3 here okay then 3 k twice k minus 1 twice k plus 1 plus 3 here twice k plus 1 whole square so 3 আৰু ইয়াতে এটা চাবা ইয়াত কমন লব পৰা এটা থাকিবই কমন লব পৰা এটা থাকি সো এটা কমন লবলৈ ট্ৰাই কৰিবা twice k plus 1 here আছে twice k plus 1 whole square আছে that means twice k plus 1 here almost 2 times আছে that's why we can common as a twice k plus 1 then after this here remain here k twice k minus 1 remain here and plus 3 and twice k plus 1 twice k plus 1 is remaining okay then twice k plus 1 simplify this one twice k square minus k plus 6k plus 3 then 3 twice k plus 1 twice k square plus 5k plus 3 then after this 3 twice k plus 1 factorize this one you know the factorization then take common twice k in the both section twice k plus 1 here twice k then oh sorry 3 so I gave a mistake some mistake here twice k after taking twice k here then k remains here and 1 remains here after taking k plus 1 okay 3 twice k plus 1 then here come twice k plus 3 and k plus 1 so 3 k plus 1 is it then twice k plus 1 so twice k plus 1 come then twice k plus 3 so this is the answer okay sorry not answer therefore Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1 where k plus 1 belongs to n divided ma agota pahori golu where k plus 1 belongs to n therefore by mathematical induction method Pn is true for all n belongs to n sobor karone true hob question number 5 to মই just hint দিছো তোমালোকে এটো তোমালোকৰ নিজৰ কৰিবা last n equals to k plus 1 put কৰোতে কি কৰিবা ইয়াতে দিয়া আছে 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot 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 plus n cube দিয়া আছে so n cube or আমি k cube or কে পাম then after this k in place of k put k plus 1 here then k plus 1 whole cube so আমি both side কি কৰিবা লাগিব k plus 1 whole cube add কৰিব লাগিব that means a2 side আমি কি পাম k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square দিয়া আছে and add k plus 1 whole cube যেহেতু ইয়াত k+1 whole cube পালো আৰু k+1 whole cube ক'ৰ পালো in place of k we put k+1 here then after this add k+1 whole cube here again add k+1 whole cube in that side also then after this simplify this one so yate k+1 LCM loba 4 whole square ase jehetu k square ahibo k+1 whole square ahibo so etu moi just roughly kori di asu k square then k+1 whole square by 4 ahibo then after this k+1 whole cube then take LCM 4 and after this take k+1 whole square k+1 whole cube in both sides then take k+1 whole square common take k+1 whole square common then remain k square and here remain 4k+1 and after this factorize this one you got something like I think k+2 whole square you got k+2 whole square from this part you got k+2 whole square so in here you got k+1 whole square k+2 whole square by 4 so this is the k+1 k+2 by 2 whole square that is the answer because we can write here as a k+1 so k+1 plus 1 by 2 whole square so etu enaka ase nai etu bostuto enaka asle n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square in place of n k+1 here in place of n k+1 here plus 1 whole square is there 2 is there so just ami n er jagat ki paba lage k+1 paba lage to etu koriba your next question number 6 again I give some hint here okay so up to k same up to k this one same so for n equals 1 just put in place of n 1 here then left hand side right hand side both side you got this one true for up to k this one you can do easily now from the n putting n equal to k+1 from this part you have a confusion 2q plus dot it comes to d by k up to n putting n equals to k then adding here put in place of k+1 add this one here again same thing at the right hand side in the right hand side so it this one as a and 2k+1 in a both side so up to this one for the k term k put kora lage khini lage khini asile to k+1 hoar lage ami just duita side add korim ki add korim hetu depend koribe ami yat k+1 to put kora pisot yat k+1 put kori dim jundu last term thake yate k after putting the k value n equal to k so jut k value put kora pisot yat jundu last term thake tat ami k+1 put korim aru he ekera bostu yat ke add korim aru logote right hand side to add korim to tar pisot ami simplify korim so yate swa sorry yate swa 2 to the power etu enake bhangi dibo parim moi jodi bracket bhangibo bisaru k+1 then the base is same and multiply here so we can add the degree power minus 2 plus 2 to the power k+1 is it etu k+1 ke likhilo je etu yat 1 ase so base to same hole degree to ami ki koru add koru so yate 2k+1 2k+2 dubar ase to 2 of 2k+1 jehetu ei bostu dubar ase 2 to the power k+1 so 2 of 2 to the power k+1 and minus 2 ase minus 2 so 2 to duita ase ami 2 common lobo parim yat ki thakibo 2 to the power k+1 and yat thakibo minus 1 so this is the answer jehetu ama ki asile 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 so ami yat k bahale ki hobo k+1 bahale ki hobo etu নহয় জানো so এটা পাব লাগে that's why বাকি লিখা খিনি নিজে লিখিবা এটোই মই জাস্ট হিন্ট দি দিছো